You're watching How Leap. Let's see critical iPhone settings you should never turn off for security, functionality, and device health. First, never disable Find My iPhone in your Apple ID settings. This is essential for locating a lost device or activating activation lock against thieves. Second, keep automatic updates on for iOS in Settings, then General, then Software Update. This ensures you receive vital security patches. Third, do not turn off two-factor authentication for your Apple ID. This is a major layer of security for your account. Fourth, avoid disabling significant locations under Privacy and Security, then Location Services, then System Services. If you use features like parked car location or predictive traffic routing. Fifth, keep background app refresh on for critical apps like Find My and messaging apps to ensure they work properly. Sixth, do not turn off settings notifications as these alert you to important security and account changes. Seventh, keep iCloud backup enabled for at least one device to preserve your data. Disabling these can leave you vulnerable to data loss, theft, or security breaches. Always understand the function of a setting before changing it. For more essential iPhone security tutorials, subscribe to the channel.